Good morning, superheroes. Good morning. Good morning. I'm not hearing you. Are you awake? Are you with me? Okay, now I can start. Good morning, all of you. Our lesson today is going to be problem solving. We will use a strategy. This strategy is to draw a diagram. I need to draw a diagram. What's the meaning of diagram? It's a shape, okay? Or a picture or a figure, okay? These diagrams, you learned them before, by the way. I told you our chapter is talking about two-dimensional shapes, right? I will remind you. We learned circles, we learned triangles, squares, quadrilaterals, and we learned hexagon, pentagon. All these are two-dimensional shapes. They have length and they have width. Now, Layla drew a shape. The shape has 6 sides. It also has 6 angles. What shape did Layla draw? So again, I will read it again. Layla drew a shape. So our character's name is Leela. What did she do? She drew a shape. The shape has 6 sides. It also has 6 angles. What shape did Leela draw? What did she draw? She drew. First, I will follow the problem solving strategies. We will underline the thing that you know and I know and we all know. We will underline it, while we will circle what we need to find. I will underline 6 sides and 6 angles, and I will circle what shape did Leela draw. Now, first I will understand it. How do I understand? I underlined and I circled it. I'm done with the first step. The second step is to plan. How will I solve the problem? I will just think a little bit and try to draw a diagram in my mind which has 6 sides and 6 angles. Now then the third step is to solve. How I will solve? I will draw a diagram with 6 sides. So Layla drew a 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides. What did she draw? What did she draw? 6 guys, 6 guys. It's Xmas. It's Xmas. So she drew hexagon. Hex a gun. Hexagon. Okay? Again, we will repeat it. It is hex agon. Hexagon. Great job. Now I want you to check your work. Is my answer reasonable? Yes. Why? Explain. Because the shape that I drew is 6 sides like what Leela drew. Amazing job. Put a star. Go to the next page, 752. Now, we will practice the strategy together. Okay? Let's start. Marcy drew a shape. It has 5 sides and it has 5 angles. What shape did she draw? Again, Marcy, we can say Mercy, drew a shape. This shape has 5 sides and has 5 angles. Let's think a little bit. We underlined the thing we know, and we circled the thing that we need to find. Now we will plan it. How will I solve the problem? I will draw a diagram. This is my strategy I'm gonna use this time. Now Mercy drew let's draw the diagram. It has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What is this shape? It has 5 sides. 5 sides. What do we call it? Pentagon. We call it pentagon. If you said it before I say, that means you're smart. And you know what? I'm 100% sure that you said it before me. Before I do. You're amazing, boys and girls. Now, ask yourself, is my answer reasonable? And explain why. Great job, boys and girls. Go to the next page, which is 753. I want you to try alone and read alone and solve alone and send me the picture. The 3 questions are super easy. Please send me your work and move to the next page, which is 754. Okay. This is the homework. Let's go back 1 page. Okay, here, let's little bit before you start solving alone, let us review the strategies we learned. First, let us choose. Choose a strategy. Write a number sentence or draw a diagram or use logical reasoning. What we learned, we will use draw a diagram. Right? Now let's start reading. Question number 4, we will solve together, then you will continue the rest of the page alone. Tammy saw a 2-dimensional shape. The shape has 6 sides again and 6 angles. 2 of the sides are longer than the others. What shape did Tammy see? One more time. Tammy saw a 2-dimensional shape. The shape has 6 sides and 6 angles. 2 of the sides are longer than the others. What shape did Tammy see? Let's draw it. We said that we will use draw a diagram strategy. We will draw these 2 longer sides, and we will draw this side and this side smaller, this side and this side shorter. Now let's count them. Are they 6? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you can use the shapes you cut at the beginning of this lesson. And now 1 angle, 2 angle,
three angles, four angles, five angles, six angles. What do we call this shape? Six sides, six angles. Six, six, six. It's six angles, six sides. So it's what? Hex. Six. It's hexagon. Great job. Hexagon. Do you want to solve together question number 5? Yes, we do, miss. Oh, wow. You're super, super, super student. The sign at the end of David Street is a two-dimensional shape. It has four sides and four angles. The sides are all the same length. They are all the same length. What shape is the sign? Again, question 5. The sign at the end of David Street is a two-dimensional shape. It has four sides and four angles. The sides are all the same. What is the sign? What shape is the sign? I tell you something. Do you want to know what shape is this? Quickly, move your book little bit to the right, little bit. You can see it in a straight view. So now it's what? Together. Yes, square. Great boys, great girls. It's a square. Great job. Do you want me to be done with this question too? Or you will do it alone? Okay, why did I ask you? Of course you will do it alone. You're super smart. Do it alone, please, and send me your work. Thank you so much for watching. Put big star. You deserve it, boys and girls. I love you so much. See you later.